What if I told you that something is flying above your head right now, watching, delivering, protecting, and even saving lives? Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful modern inventions, drones. Welcome to our channel, the subject, history. Today, we are going to explore this amazing invention that has changed the modern world in ways you may not even realize. Let's begin. A drone is a flying machine that does not need a pilot sitting inside it. It is controlled from the ground by a person using a remote control, or sometimes it flies automatically using a computer program and GPS. Some drones are small enough to fit in your hand, while others are as large as airplanes. But how does a drone actually work? Most common drones have multiple propellers. When these propellers spin very fast, they push air downward. This creates lift, which makes the drone rise into the air. By changing the speed of each propeller, the drone can move forward, backward, left, right, or stay still in one place. Inside the drone, there's a flight controller. You can think of it as the brain of the drone. It receives signals from the remote control and tells the motors how fast to spin. Many drones also have sensors like gyroscopes and accelerometers. These help the drone stay balanced and stable in the air. Modern drones also use GPS systems. GPS helps them know their exact location. That is why some drones can return to their starting point automatically if the battery is low or if they lose connection with the controller. The idea of pilotless flying machines is not new. Even before flying drones were created, the foundation of remote control technology was laid by a brilliant inventor named Nikola Tesla. In 1898, he demonstrated a radio-controlled boat. It was not an aircraft, but it proved something revolutionary. Machines could be controlled from a distance without wires. This idea later became the base for radio-controlled aircraft. The first real drones were developed for military use. During World War I and World War II, scientists worked on creating unmanned aircraft that could carry bombs without risking a pilot's life. These early drones were simple and not very advanced. One important development happened in the early 1900s. A British inventor named Archibald Lowe worked on one of the first radio-controlled aircraft. Later, in the 1930s, more advanced versions were created for military training. These were used as target practice for soldiers. One famous example was the de Havilland DH-82 Queen Bee. It was a radio-controlled aircraft used by the British military. Many people believe the word drone came from this aircraft. Since a queen bee is female, the pilotless aircraft was nicknamed drone, meaning male bee. After World War II, during the Cold War period, drones became more advanced. They were no longer just target practice machines. They were used for surveillance and intelligence missions. The United States developed reconnaissance drones such as the Ryan Model 147 Lightning Bug, which were used to gather information without risking a pilot's life. A major turning point came in the 1990s with the introduction of the General Atomics MQ-1 Predator. This drone could stay in the air for many hours, conduct surveillance, and even carry weapons. It changed modern warfare and showed how powerful unmanned aircraft could become. However, the modern drones that we see today became popular in the early 2000s and especially in the 2010s. With improvements in technology, especially in batteries, small cameras, GPS, and lightweight materials, drones became more affordable and easier to use. Companies like DJI made user-friendly drones with built-in cameras and automatic safety features. This is when drones moved from military tools to everyday technology used by ordinary people. Drones can go where humans cannot easily go. They can fly over mountains, forests, oceans, and disaster areas. They can reach dangerous places without putting human lives at risk. In the military, drones are used for surveillance and security. They can monitor borders and gather information without sending soldiers into danger. In agriculture, farmers use drones to check crops. A drone can quickly fly over a large field and take pictures. These pictures help farmers see which areas need more water or fertilizer. This saves time, money, and effort. In photography and filmmaking, drones have completely changed the game. Before drones, getting aerial shots required helicopters, which were very expensive. Now, even small creators can capture beautiful views from the sky at a low cost. Drones are also used in delivery services. Some companies are testing drones to deliver packages, medicines, and food. In remote areas where roads are poor, drones can deliver important supplies quickly. One of the most powerful uses of drones is in rescue missions. After natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes, drones help search for missing people. They can fly over broken buildings in dangerous areas. Some drones even have thermal cameras that detect body heat, helping rescuers find survivors. During the COVID-19 pandemic, drones were used to deliver medical supplies and monitor public areas. This reduced human contact and helped control the spread of the virus. But like every technology, drones also have challenges. There are concerns about privacy and safety. That is why many countries have rules and laws about where and how drones can be flown. If you enjoyed discovering the incredible stories hidden inside history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another journey into the past. Thank you for watching The Subject History, and I'll see you in the next story.